Today on Melody's channel we are going to be doing slime or putty. So we're going to be seeing which one's better and which one we prefer out of slime and putty. So the slimes are over here and the putties are over here. So sadly we've only got 2 putties, but on slime we've got 3. But we do have one more over there, but that's a massive tub and like it's too messy and it gets everywhere. And I might do a video on that, so make sure you comment down below what you think, if I should do a video on that or not, and which one you like, which one you prefer, putties or slimes. So let's get on with the video. So today, I'm going to start off with this orange goopy slime, and this is from Toys R Us. Look how stretchy that is. So cool. But I'm not going to take too long on each slime or putty because it will just take too long and it pokes good. And like it's so stretchy. Woohoo! Oh, I just love that, and it makes a really good sound. You might have not be able to hear it, but like it makes a really good sound when you poke it. So yeah, now let's move on to the next slime. Put this back in the goopy tin. Make sure I've got all of it off my fingers. And now we've got 2 whoopie putties. So this one is a purple whoopie putty. So it's called whoopie putty. Well, it's like slime because like it says it's putty, but it's really stretchy like slime, and it's really goopy. So, and it's called whoopie because it trumps, and that's why it's in the shape of the toilet. So I've got a pink one and a purple. So the pink's my sister's and the purple's mine. So let's get stretching. So that's a really good stretcher, and like it pokes. And then it's not very good at poking, and then it trumps. Yeah, so get all of my fingers. So, because I don't want to get purple slime in the pink slime. So let's get on with the pink slime. Oh dear. So, and then this one is so stretchy. Silly moment. This one's not very good at poking, so I don't like this one. Not really. I like them all equally. Even the putties. Ooh, that was a nice bubble. Bye-bye, slime. Oh, did you hear that? Oh my god. Who's been having too many burritos? Somebody's been having too much chocolate spread. And then this is putty. So they was all the slimes, and now this is putty. And it's really stretchy. This one is gold one, and it says liquid lava putty, Nickelodeon. It bounces and it flows. it snaps and it stretches. Glitter Sparkle Gold Star. And it's from Ado. There, look. Dodo. I don't know what that says, seriously. So put it back over here, and it's so stretchy. And now we've got a brown one, but it did come in nice colours. It came in green and pink, and it told me to mix and twist, so I did it, and then it turned out that colour. But I still like it because it's brown and same colour as my hair, look. and then yeah, so it's a pretty colour, and then there's like a really stretchy, and then it's called a liquid lava putty again, and it's Nickelodeon. It bounces, it flows, it snaps and it stretches. Includes 2 colours to mix and twist there. Colour fusion, pink and green, twin pack. That, and I'll take this one out of the pot and take the other one out of the pot. Ask you which one you like best. So it's really stretchy, and because I'm talking about slime, I recommend if you do a slime swirl, you need to like go like that and keep on folding it, so you like get the little lines in it and then do the slime swirl. Not like do it straight away, because then it gets, if you do that, it gets these little lines in, and that's really good for a slime swirl. And then yeah, and then let me get the gold one out again to just take it all out of the packet. This one snaps loads. And then it's a really nice package. And then let me roll it into a ball. Ooh. Cause he had confidence, a little thing called confidence. There's no got to weakness when you've got confidence. With a C and an O. Oh, it's really bouncy. I don't want to bounce it too much because then I might knock the camera down. So comment down below what I should do on other videos, and if you want me to get that big tub of slime out, and make sure you comment down below if you prefer the putties or the slimes, and if you like the slimes, tell me which slime you like particularly, and then if you like the putty, tell me which putty you like. Do you like this one or do you like that one? Yeah, so that's an idea for you. So bye, peace out.